Good day, everyone. Strengthen Malopa again here. Now, I am so happy to announce that out of the 25 spots that we had for the Black Friday special, only 17 left out of the 25 spots. Only 17 spots left, meaning we only need 20. We only need 20. No, we need 17 spots. We need 17 spots to fill up. Then we're closing the special. So yeah, we are happy to announce that people have taken advantage of the special, because it's only $150 to get the robot right now up until the 30th of November. It's only $150, which is 2,000 rands, to get the robot. I am very happy. I'm very happy to announce that I've seen people that are coming in taking advantage of the special. It's a great thing, because we need you guys to be on the winning team. We need you guys to be on the winning side. You cannot afford to lose any more money in the forex markets. We can't afford to do that. It's your time now. Take advantage. You know that your financial situation has to change for the sake of your family, for the sake of your background, for the sake of everything that you need in your life. Your financial background, your financial situation has to change. Now, this is the situation where now you have the platform to change exactly that. So yeah, guys, take charge, take advantage of this special. It's here for you. It's the great opportunity for you guys. So yeah, guys, for you to get in contact or rather to get hold of this robot, you have to go straight to my website. When you get straight to my website, you go straight to the which is the Black Friday special. You will see it there. The link is there. You go straight to it. You click on it, and then from there it will take you straight to the payment option. You make the payment. You take a screenshot after the payment is successful. After making a screenshot, you come back to me. You use this email over here. You send me that screenshot, and then it is only then I may send the robot the settings to you. Then you go ahead and install. That's all. There is nothing more to do. You make the payment via the website. After that, you go ahead, send me the screenshot of that payment. Then I will be sending you the robot and the settings. You are done. You are definitely done. That's it, guys. I am glad that people are taking advantage of the special, because Black Friday is not gonna last long. It will end by the 30th of November 2021, and that is the end of it. There is no more stories, no more BS. We just keep on working, we keep on pushing, we keep on doing the best that we can do. That's it. Cheers, take care, keep well, and keep safe.